Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to change the performance profile to light mode. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications and go into the settings and scroll down to where it says battery and device care. Select battery. Then scroll down again to where it says more battery settings. And here you will see performance profile. And by default, it's set to standard. So when it's on standard, it provides the recommended balance between processing speed, battery life, and cooling efficiency. But when you switch it to light mode, it prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. So how this works is, this light mode function, it improves the heat generation and battery consumption by changing the processing speed to partially adjust it to improve battery consumption. So when opening in light mode, the S23 Ultra, this device will use less performance power compared to normal mode with no impact to internet surfing, or social media, phone calls, or even video playback. So yeah, I recommend keeping it on the light mode, and it'll just keep the phone cool as well. However, do take note, this setting doesn't apply to games. You can manage game performance in Game Booster settings. But yeah, this is how you switch the performance profile from standard to light mode. Hope this video helped you out, guys. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. Please do give the video a thumbs up, and I'm out. Deuces.